What's up guys, it's me again, and today I will be showing another video. Woo! Looks like another destruction guys, but nowadays this destruction video is about Harold the helicopter in the rain. Looks like we have to build some new buildings around the future, and look at this countryside guys. Look at that! The lights turn on the countryside I now currently see now. It looks pretty nice. It's now on the left side of the countryside. Now let's make this Harold the helicopter no more. We got an ice cream truck. Do you want some ice cream? Do you want some ice cream? No, you don't. Now it's time to use the Mega Industrial Bam Slam Gadget to bam and slam and bam this Harold helicopter all around. I get it. I get it. Oh God. I fucking get it! I'm gonna hit you with the Bam Slam gadget that you use. Looks like we now use this no more. I think that's all the shops you have to stay for your malls. But inside it, looks like you inside of the fucking mall. I have to bam and slam and bam you. Alright. Excuse me. Go get some ice cream. Now get it right out of the pair of beets. Looks like the pair of beets in the red bowl. And it looks like my Bam Slam gadget is all resistant with... Yet, it's worse. And, oh my God. Oh, it's almost cut it off with its own bits in there. It just looked like, oh my God. And, oh my God. There is a hole in there, so it can now take it in there with it. How the helicopter needs to get destroyed and get sent away from here like that. Your red truck. Go have your brother. It's right here. Oh wow. Ow. Not again. Just hit too much. Looks like a little helicopter. Looks like a little resource out. Get away, you helicopter. No more flying, because your bits came off. There you go. Looks like you can go through the rails now. Use the Bam Slam gadget. You were really resistant. And guess what, tomorrow I'm going to go in the bath. So that means I will be doing some stuff right here in this house all day. Just gonna got no care in this house all day. And you better get out of the way of sort of underground. Obviously looks like a little bit. So better shine the star. You better who we are. It's gonna make a noise again. There he is, making a noise. Are you ready now? Ready? Filming. 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 Why is it? Why is it not hearing? Why does it not hear a sound or something? Are you crazy? I thought you were going to hear your sound. Looks like there's not enough ice creams left. Okay, now it sounds nothing. So it looks like at the end of it looks terrible in there. Oh my god. I can't just believe what I'm saying this night time. Anyways. God damn it. They look like they need sunlight or something, yeah. It looks like, yeah, actually the sun's going down until tomorrow morning. Because the sun's going down until the next morning. Around 6 o'clock Eastern Day. And the ice cream truck is not making any noise. Maybe. Looks like we're gonna hear from over there. Right out of the footage of the house picture. And look at this, you can take a picture if you like to. Look like you can take a picture of the clouds on the sky. There you go. Make it purple. Now let me come closer. I bet this is like this quite nuts, isn't it? Eat. Seat. Umi. God. So you can now look at this, you can tell about the slides in there. Now that's all for the destructive video of this YouTube channel. Now it's time for bonus. Right. Now it's bonus time. It's time for a question. What does the ice cream truck hear? A. Green sleeves. B. 10 little bird. 10 Les. Sorry. What sound does make the ice cream truck make? A. Green sleeves. B. 10 in the bed. Or C. Wheels on the bus. I hate nursery rhymes because it sucks ass. Yeah, it sucks ass because it makes more difference between me. Right, so now think about your answer in the comments below or in the community post if you know about something on my YouTube channel. Now, tell me what it is. Tell me your answer. Hello, boy. You on a motorbike? It smells disgusting in here. Looks like you're now gonna make it. It looks like you're now gonna make it all disgusting. Looks very disgusting to me. Right. Okay. Alright. Now, the correct answer is green. The correct answer is 10 in the bed. Next question. What was the first president in the United States? A. George Washington. B. Donald Trump. Or C. Joe Biden. Think about your answers in the community post or your comments below. Come on, you gotta hurry! Right. The correct answer is A. George Washington. Last question. What year did Take On Me produced? A. 1981. B. 1985. C. 1988. Now, look like to think of your answers. Think your answer if you want to listen to your comments below or your community post. If you have 500 subscribers, you need to get a community post or answering your poll. Alright, the correct answer was, it was in 1985! Oh! Take got me was in 1985. Phew, that was a long story. That's all for now. Thank you so much for watching the Destruction videos and the BM Slam Bitch. Sorry, Ollie's in the way. Sorry. Looks like we got on the real thing. Thank you for watching, guys. Subscribe for more videos. Goodbye.